Spend 5 minutes on social media, and you'll find guides promising $10,000 a month using AI in your first 30 days. To see if that's actually possible, we have to look past the screenshots and check the platform data alongside the developers building actual Python and LLM systems. This chart compares viral claims to the verifiable timeline of an AI side hustle. For the first 2 months, your income stays at $0 while you build your workflow. By month 6, the data shows a climb toward $500 a month. These systems require significant upfront human labor to function, acting as a tool for active income rather than a passive money button. Because so much of the space is built on unverified claims, finding a viable path requires a way to filter the noise from the actual profit. We're going to evaluate every method strictly by the return on investment of your time, focusing on verifiable payouts rather than vague potential. This matrix plots each business model based on 2 critical factors. The horizontal axis tracks your time to first payout, ranging from fast to slow. The vertical axis represents your income ceiling, the maximum realistic earning potential for that model. This visualization reveals a direct trade-off. Choose the immediate safety of a fast, capped payout or the friction of building a slow, high-profit business. The fastest way to see cash in your account involves algorithmic piecework and localized student services. The most verifiable option in this category is reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF. Major AI companies pay workers to catch factual errors and rate bot responses to improve model accuracy. You apply to platforms like Outlier or Appen and take a screening test that acts as a gatekeeper. If you fail this one-shot exam, you're usually barred from the platform. On a college campus, you can replicate this by offering AI-assisted editing or dataset cleaning directly to classmates and alumni networks. These methods typically take 1 to 3 weeks to secure a first payment, with a realistic floor of $100 to $800 a month. This places these methods in the bottom left quadrant of our matrix. You are choosing to trade a high income ceiling for the stability of quick, verifiable platform payouts. Moving up the matrix, we find Main Street businesses like dentists and real estate agents who are actively losing leads after hours. You can solve this by building no-code chatbots, providing AI-assisted freelance writing, or managing their social media presence. This requires more friction. You have to master tools like N8N or VoiceFlow and actively cold pitch business owners with custom demos. Clients pay for your human judgment, not raw AI output. You use the tools to generate drafts, but the value comes from your editing and fact-checking. By solving a direct business problem, you can secure monthly retainers ranging from $300 to $1,500 per client. These B2B services occupy the upper middle of the matrix. They take longer to close, but the revenue per hour is significantly higher. This category rewards those willing to handle the friction of sales and client management with sustainable, recurring revenue. The most promoted area of AI is content creation, specifically faceless video and print-on-demand. Success here requires selecting a hyper-specific niche and consistently editing AI-generated assets in tools like Canva for several months. The data shows a grueling quiet phase, where you must publish for 3 to 12 months without any revenue before the income line finally inflects upward. Once established, these scalable assets can yield between $300 and $900 a month per successful shop or channel. This places creative work in the top right quadrant. It requires the highest level of patience, as you are trading short-term income for long-term business equity. The ROI matrix shows that these tools don't eliminate the need for work. They change the nature of the tasks you perform. We use this scorecard to pick a lane based on your strengths. If you need cash fast, follow the pragmatist path to RLHF screening exams. If you prefer systems, the B2B builder path is effective for pitching local businesses. For high patience, the creator path offers long-term scale over 12 months. Regardless of the pathway, expect to earn $0 for the first 60 days while you establish your workflow. The highest returns go to those who use AI to scale human judgment, rather than waiting for software to act on its own.